let us go and clean the up here, because someone came to come and systemize our something in this kitchen. My husband's mother brought him here. So they brought all this thing that is circulating air into the kitchen, because when we are cooking, the kitchen always gets wet with the evaporate with the heat of the boiled water or boiled anything boiled. Then you always cause all this we call it humidity. I don't know what you guys are calling it in English language. So my husband's mother hired someone to come and fix something portable, very very beautiful, and which is you guys will see the video. So they have done working on it and everything. So I have to go and clean it, because they after working on it, so when he was working on it, there was a little bit of dust from up here, because they put hole. They cannot fall. They put hole here, this part. So you guys will not be seeing me. So I just have to clean it a little bit, and oh, that is the work for today. Bye bye guys. That is the word in the area. That is how we do it. That is how we do our work, yeah. Da 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 da. That is how we do our work, yeah. My husband that wanted to help me to clean it. I pursue her. How will you climb up to come and help me to do cleaning in my house? You know, that woman, she's very very funny. Okay. She said I don't. Yeah, she does not want me to fall down. I said, Mama, what are you talking about? What are you talking about? I suppose your security is very, very safety to me. I'm the one that's supposed to protect you, not you protecting me. Okay, we have done the cleaning from up. I have to systemize back all the things that I kept there. Let them go back to up. Oh. Okay. Okay. Okay, now I have to systemize here fast and remove this slider, because today I will be going out.